English for Everyone. Course Book. Level 3, Intermediate. Lesson 61.
To set the scene in a story, English uses the past continuous to describe the background situation, and descriptive adjectives to say what a place is like.
It was a beautiful day. The sun was shining and the birds were singing. Children were laughing and playing in the street.
Read the story and write answers to the questions as full sentences.
Magnificent. Colorful. Peaceful. Picturesque. Rural. Open. Magical.
It was raining hard. The cold wind was blowing rain into Sam's eyes, and his face was frozen. People were hurrying along the street, trying to shield themselves from the terrible weather. Sam ran into a cafe to shelter from the rain. A waitress came to take his order. She was wearing a black dress with a white apron. She was polite and seemed kind. Soon, Sam was eating his sandwich, drinking his coffee, and starting to feel warmer. He was looking out of the window when he saw a boy walking into the bank. He was carrying something. Sam wondered what it could be.
Read the diary and fill in the gaps using the words in the panel.
End of lesson 61.